We have a new laptop to repair. This one is a HP Spectre, and the problem is no power. So this unit will able to power only when the adapter is inserted. However, whenever we remove the adapter, it won't power on the built-in battery. So as you can see here, I'm trying to install the adapter and the unit will power on. Here. So most probably the problem is it's either the battery or the charging circuit of the motherboard. So in order for us to know the problem, we have to remove or disassemble the unit. So from here, whenever I remove the adapter, the power will shut down. So the battery is not holding up any power or any voltage to the motherboard. Again, we will remove the adapter and it will shut down. So let's proceed with the assembly. I already removed all the screws at the bottom side of this laptop. So upon removal of those screws, you just lift this cover gently and you will have the access on the motherboard and the battery. So using my multimeter to check the voltage, so first I'm going to check whether there is an input voltage coming through or there's output voltage coming from the battery. So from here we can see the 0 volts or no voltage at all. Now we're going to insert the adapter and see if there's a change. So here we can see that there's a output voltage from the charging circuit of the motherboard going to the battery. So the problem is the battery is not holding up the charge. So another thing that I found is that usually for the battery, if there's a problem with the battery, it will bulge. So based from here, I can see that it's already bulging as compared to a new one. So checking on this side of this battery, I also found that there's evidence of the bulging side. So you see there's a turn on the cover for this battery, not only on the top side but also on the bottom side from here and the other side as well here. So this shows that the battery needs a replacement. So checking on this part number, I have to order a new one from HP as a replacement battery. Now I'm going to remove the battery connector to the motherboard, from the motherboard, and check whether the battery itself is having, I want to double check if there's a charge on this battery. So based from my checking or probing, I didn't find any voltage at all coming from the battery. So 0 at all. So this means that the battery is already defective. Now I'm going to remove or disassemble this, remove the screws for the battery. There are 4 screws that you have to remove. So once all the screws are removed, we just need to gently lift the battery. So from the bottom side of this battery, we can see that it's bulging as well, not only from the top but also from the bottom side. Here we have the new replacement battery, and the replacement of the battery is just reverse of our disassembly. So just need to attach 4 screws and the battery connector. Attaching the 4 screws for the battery. Now we're going to power up the unit to check whether the unit can be powered on using the new replacement battery. And yes, the unit can be powered on now. So the replacement battery is working. Now we're going to check whether the adapter is working or charging. So now it's only batteries running, and then we are going to insert the adapter or the charger. And here we can see that the icon is changed to a charging icon. So that means the unit is working. Now we're going to remove the adapter, and yes, it's not powering down or not shutting down. So we already fixed the problem, and it's related to the battery. And now we're going to check whether the Windows can detect the battery and the charging. So from here we can see that the battery information is it's shown, so it's detected, and the battery capacity currently at 34% and charging. So now we're going to remove the adapter. So here is charging, and now we will remove the adapter, and now it is supposed to change to discharging. Yes, we will return back the adapter, and now it will change to charging. So we will leave this laptop for a while to check whether the charging will increase or the charge will increase on the battery. So after a few minutes, now it's now changed to 66%, increased to 66%. After a few more minutes, it's now at 100% full charge. So for this case, this is related to a defective battery. I hope you enjoy something on this repair, and thank you for watching. See you again on my next video. Bye.